Yes, I look crazy, and that's okay. It's acceptable because it is the morning of my birthday. Yes, I have the same shirt from yesterday because I am in the middle of packing. I need to have everything packed up right now prior to me going to like my little picnic situation. The only thing I'm left to pack is that one thing, which is just my Skims shorts that I can't find anywhere. That's it. Everything else, we're all laid out. Once I take out the sticky notes, that's how you know it's real. I did everything per day, per outfit. So let me just say this out loud so I remember. The only things that are left to pack is makeup, purse, Skims, and I think that's it. Yeah. I think that's, and I gotta do my lashes. So I need to get in the shower pretty soon because I'm supposed to be meeting my boyfriend there at 3. So I gotta get into the shower pretty soon. Bro, like this came out of nowhere, but whatever, we're still thriving. Let me finish packing as much as I can. I'm trying to be like done, not worry about anything by 12:30 so I can hop in the shower, do everything that I gotta do, and be out of the house at least by 2:30, you know. Update, Miss Baggy, she's all packed. All I'm missing, I kid you not, you guys, is my Skims. I don't know where it is at. Like, I'm genuinely concerned as to why I don't know where that's at. Oh my god, I need my African scrub to take home, to take with me. I need to do that, but I need to find my Skims, y'all. Like, I literally do not get it. I'm running out of places they could possibly be. Anyways, let me hop in the shower and then I'm probably insert here. I'm gonna do a little birthday get ready with me. You guys, it is my birthday. Sorry, I'm just astonished at the fact that I did my own lashes. I did my own hair. I did my own lashes. I did my own nails. The only thing I did not do was my toes. Like, I'm trying not to get anything on my lashes because I just did them. I love these. I'm gonna show you the ones that I use. I use this, the Kiss. Looks so natural in the middle, and then I found these at my beauty supply. This literally looks like when I went to go get my lashes done. I'm learning a lot, you guys. Like, you don't understand the learning curve 25 was. Like, I can't even begin to explain, but if you know, you know. I would not have it any other way. I do tend to like panic and like lose faith, I would say, like lose that, oh, God got it. But every day he shows me, don't lose that faith, because there is a reason to everything. Right, contour. This Mary Phillips method has been everything to me ever since I started doing it. It ensures light makeup, not too much, which is what I've been into. Concealer, we're gonna use Hourglass Dune. But yeah, I should actually be leaving the house like right now. Do I have to say, like, I'm running late. Your girl's running late. This is from Omnicolor, and I actually like this brush for foundation a lot. I'm gonna grab my luminous bronzer. Guys, I haven't had an actual meal and it's like almost 3 o'clock, but I didn't want to eat anything because like I'm about to have los tacos today. I've been doing so good with like my change of lifestyle that sometimes like I'm like, damn, I don't want to ruin it. I also want to enjoy the little things in life. And I feel like I've had a good balance and a better relationship with food. Like, once you fix your relationship with food, you guys, like, I can't explain like the gratitude you feel for your body and how you start listening to it and being one with your body. I know that sounds like corny and stuff, but trust me, it is such a relief. Oof, my stomach is touching my back. I'm wearing a pretty like green dress, nothing too crazy. It's really giving chill vibes. I'm so happy. I am very grateful at the end of the day for anything and everything that I have experienced, have seen, have heard, have done this past year. Like, everything was just meant to be. I never, like, I don't ask too many questions. I just ask for things like, reveal this, show this, you know? And I feel like God does an amazing job of doing those things for me. I think that is it, y'all. Now I'm gonna set my face. No, I have to double it. You guys, it's literally a ghost town. I'm exhausted, I'm not gonna hold you. Right now I'm about to go make sure that my gate exists. I see it. My friend's not here yet, but she should be here slowly. Security was a breeze. I'm kind of tired, but not too tired. I just know I'm about to knock out on the freaking flight. I'm so excited. Alright, I found the bathroom here. I am in a hot mess. I have like no earrings on. What? I'm gonna put my phone in here. I'm gonna put my bag. Okay, I can't lie, that's pretty cool. Wow.
Today drained me.
Nanika, where is she going? Can somebody please tell me where she's going? You should not be this week.
Nah, let me send this video to you.
We are boarding.
No, because I saw the caution tape, I said, oh, wrong place.
Wrong turn. I look crazy. My hair looks insane. Oh, how I miss these aisles. I'm so excited.
European parts.
European. This is insane, bro. Oh, I'll do this one. The passion fruit mango. Wow. Cheers. Sorry, we drank.
You know what this?
You. Are we cheersing now?
If you're not getting right before you check in, what are you doing?
I know, I'm trying to change that, especially when I travel. When I travel, it's like my content just flows to me. Like, this is so beautiful. I feel like the people want to see the travel. This location is so nice. Look at this view. See the mountain? This looks like the island of Tefiti, don't you think so?
All right.
Hi. Somewhere to eat, if we could just go there? Oh, thank you. What happened?
You're like, oh, goddamn. Whoa. Yeah, honestly, if I didn't get any pictures tonight, it's for my husband's
My plate is giving low vibrations, but the food here is so good so far. My first plate, and it's actually really, really wrong. You know what time it is. Cheers. We are waiting for our room to be done because we got here extra early, so it wasn't done. I am so full and I want another drink though, but I think I might have dessert. I might not. I might. I don't know if my hair is getting frizzy or not, but guess what? I really don't care. I really do not care. I have it wrapped up in one of these, and when I take it off, it comes off like a kind of like a swirly, curly, wild side. So I don't mind it. We're gonna go to my destination place to actually do a kind of like a photo shoot, but just also have dinner, and then come back. And I heard that they're having a party here, so I'm actually very excited for that. Other than that, the weather is immaculate, and this is the last time you guys are gonna see me this color. You're not gonna see me this color anymore. I look crazy, but it's okay. So I am gonna start taking out my clothes. I didn't bring my camera tripod, so I'm gonna take out my dress for today. I have to steam it. Thank God Nanika brought a steamer, and then they're having an all-white party where my dress, it's not white but it's cream, so I wouldn't wear this to a wedding, so I'm gonna wear it to the all-white party. I just really need to iron her. Don't move. This is like UV 10, and I need to soak all of it up. All of it. You don't understand. I've been pale for too long, and I can't do that anymore. I can't. This is my first tan. You okay?
You know, actually, I think I needed to lay down because my stomach feels good.
Oh, it does? That's good. Relax. Yeah. That's good. Maybe the ginger ale also helps. I find it really weird that nobody's in that pool. Yeah. Probably because it doesn't have a bar.
Yeah. Because that was not for the bar.
I don't want it. I think the sunset here is gonna be so nice. I just need you guys to see this view. That's Island of Tefiti. Hi.
I thought the other one was Island of Tefiti.
They all are.
Okay.
Oh, this is too nice. I'm about to go back into the pool. I'm gonna see if I can plop you guys up somewhere. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Do you want to go to the beach? Yeah. Let's cheers. Thank you.
To a non-death day.
Okay. Day. Alright, I'll be ready to fuck up your night. Okay, come on. It's okay. I mean, let me see. Hurry up, let's cheers. Because I told her, I said, a little strong maybe. Are you really cold?
Yeah, actually I am. Do you see me doing the Edna walk? It's my favorite thing to do in a pool of water. Hello. you got what you asked for, didn't you? Yep.
No. Try it. It's good though.
I could smell the rum, bro. I didn't even put it to my lips yet.
It's good though, right?
Yeah.
No, she did her thing. It wasn't just, let me just
throw that shit in there.
yes, she might be shy.
I'm having.
This right here is vibes, okay? This right here makes you really sit here and think about how grateful you are for even the bad shit that be happening. No? Right?
I had my head in the toilet last night.
Luckily, I'm having.
Get out of my head. Get out of my head.
Guys, this sunset is crazy. I'm gonna take some pictures.
Further down.
I could cry. Doesn't this make you want to cry?
No, thank you for the